Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add AliExpress product to your Shopify store and manage the orders automatically and very easily with the DSERS app. So if you are starting a dropshipping business and trying to add the products from AliExpress manually, one by one, it's pretty hard, right? So in this tutorial I'll show you how to do it super easily with just some few clicks. So let's get started. So before we started, let's take a moment to understand what DSERS is. So if you go to dsers.com, you can get more info about DSERS. But basically, DSERS is a tool which is basically an automation tool that connects the AliExpress with your Shopify store. So without DSERS, you have to manually copy the products from AliExpress and then paste it on your store. You need to copy the title, description, and need to download the images of the product and need to upload those to your store. So it's pretty hard, right? So with DSERS, we can do this thing very easily with just few clicks. You can import products from AliExpress into your Shopify store. Also, when a customer places an order, DSERS automatically sends the order to the right supplier of AliExpress. Also, it fills in the customer shipping detail and helps you to track the package. It will help you to fulfill the order very easily. So also in DSERS, you can fulfill so many products in a minute in just some few clicks. Instead of processing the orders one by one, you can place hundreds of AliExpress order in a minute. So DSERS is a very useful tools for the drop shipping for Shopify dropshipping. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to import the products from AliExpress into your Shopify store very easily by DSERS app. In the next video, I will be showing you how to fulfill the order by DSERS app. So let's get started. So before we start, we need to have AliExpress account. So which is pretty easy to create. If you don't have AliExpress account, just go to aliexpress.com and then you'll see an option to create an account here. So you can create AliExpress account and then you need to find your products which you want to sell on AliExpress. So after you found your products, then you need to open those products. As you can see, for example, I have opened this 3 products page which I am going to import in my store. So for example, if you want to add these products, if you want to add this product manually, which is pretty hard, right? You need to copy this title, download these images, and need to set up this variants, which is pretty hard and it will take so much time. So in this video, I will show you how to do it very easily, and we are going to use DSERS app to import this product. So for that, we need to install a DSERS app into our store. So at first, just go to your store and then just click apps. Basically, you need to go to your app store. So Shopify store. Just click all recommended apps, and then if you click here Shopify App Store, then it will redirect you to Shopify App Store. So here you can see we are on the Shopify App Store page, and on the search bar, if we search for DSERS, you'll see the app of the Shopify app of DSERS here. So just click this one, and it is pretty easy to install. Just click install. Click install, and which will install in your store automatically. And then it will redirect us to Shopify DSERS login page. So if you want to create an account from here, you can do it. But right now I am going to my store, and if I click apps, you will see my DACRS AliExpress dropshipping app is connected successfully. I mean, installed successfully. So just click this one. So if you click this, I want to change account. Basically, I need to create a DSCRS account. So for that, if I click click create new account, if I don't have an account, so I need to create an account. So let's say this is my email, and then I need to put a password here. So after you put your email and password, just click get started. And then we confirm, login and authorize. Okay, so it will redirect you to a DSCRS pricing page. So you can see the pricing of the DSCRS, but we are going to use the basic free version of the DSCRS, which is enough for our work. So I am choosing the free one. Just click get started. And then it asking me to link to suppliers, which is actually AliExpress. So I need to link my AliExpress account to my DACRS. So just click AliExpress and then click login. Basically, I need to log into my AliExpress account, and so this is the AliExpress login page. I just need to paste my AliExpress account email and the password. This is my AliExpress account email, and this is the password. So I just clicking the authorize button. So you also need to put your AliExpress email and password to connect your AliExpress account with your DSCRS app. So then it will redirect you to DSCRS interface. And now, as you can see, it redirected me to the DSCRS homepage, I mean interface. And from here you can see there are so many options. You can do product research from here. Also you can find products on DSCRS. Also you can find some supplier here. But in this tutorial we are just going to see how to import AliExpress product to your Shopify store by this app. Also, if you go to settings, you'll see more options on this of this app. And I mean, from the general setting, you can set up some staff account, and from the notification, you can set up the notification, and also the application management, product setting. There are so many options, right? So you can export these things by yourself. Also, there is option for pricing and currencies. So pricing, and from the pricing and currency page, we can you can see that you can set up your exchange rate. And also the best part of this DSCRS app is you can set up a pricing rule. So if I turn on this pricing rule. Okay, so as you can see, you can set up a pricing rule from here, which is basically before you pushing your products to your store, DSCRS also gives you the option to set up a pricing rule, which means you don't have to change the price of the product manually every time you import a product. So you can set up a pricing rule from here. So just example, if you set up this pricing rule for 200, so if your product is let's say if your product is $10, so then if your pricing rule is 200%, then it will automatically price your product for 2x. I mean, if the product price is $10, then it will automatically price your product for $20 into your Shopify store. So if we select this pricing rule, for example, I am making it 200 and then click save. And then if we go back to our importing process, so for importing the products, we need to go to the import list. From the import list, you will see all of your imported product, but at this moment you can see I have no data. So these 3 products I am going to add to my store. So this is pretty simple. You just need to copy this URL of the product and then paste it here and then click OK. Also, you can select the country of your market, and then I need to add second product. This is my second one, and this is my third one. So I need to copy this URL and then paste it here, and then if I click OK, then it will be imported to DSers, and then I need to push these 3 products to my store. For now, as you can see, I don't have these 3 products. So these are some bulky product. So if I push this product, just select these 3 products, and then if I click push to a store, and then you can choose some option from here. So I mean, you can set up the product as a draft, also automatic inventory update. So there is lots of options, right? So for now, I am just clicking continue selling and out of stock, and also publish to online store. And other than that, I'm not choosing any of this option. Also, you can see my pricing rule is turned on, which means my product price will be automatically price as 200% of the product price of AliExpress. So if you, for example, you can see that if my first product cost it $11.66, but my product price will be into on my store, which will be $23.32. So which means this price will be automatically turned into 2x. Okay, so after that you have to do nothing. You just need to click push to a store. If you click push to a store, you will see that it is automatically importing to my store. So now you can see that we are successfully, the process is successfully done. And now if I go to my store, if I refresh the page, so now if I check my product list, you will see that these 3 products are successfully imported. So if you check the product, now you can see that the title, description, and media, which is basically images, and also the variants are imported successfully. Also, you can see the price of the product. If I show you the price of the products, you can see that which one is this one, right? So the price of the products on AliExpress is 11.66, right? But in this store, in our store, you can see that it's automatically turned into 2x because we turned on our pricing rule, right? So that's why you can see that the price is automatically turned into 2x. So that's it. Now I hope you know how to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store using the DSers app, and also set up the pricing rules and get everything ready to sell. So in the next video, I'll show you how to fulfill an order by DSers easily, and so make sure you don't miss that video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for the watching, and see you in the next one.